Hi, I'm Dr. Vargo at Highland Park Animal Hospital, and today I'm going to tell you more about cat medications.
Dr. Vargo, what are medications commonly prescribed for cats?
In cats, we commonly prescribe medications for infections, for pain control, thyroid disease, for behavioral issues are probably the most common medications.
How do I safely administer medication to my cat?
So all cats are created a little bit different. Some cats you're able to hide a pill in a tiny bit of food. I usually recommend getting like a little teaspoon of food, like canned food, and put the pill in there and see if they'll eat that quickly before their meal. Other cats are a little bit onto our tricks, and you can't really hide it in meds. And in that case, we can get meds compounded into easier to administer formulations like liquids that you're able to just squirt in the corner of the mouth, or chewables, which they take like treats.
Are there any side effects of common cat medications?
Biggest side effects for most medications are going to be like vomiting or diarrhea. Other particular medications, your veterinarian will talk to you more about common side effects for you to watch for.
Can I give my cat over-the-counter human medications?
That's not a good idea. Most over-the-counter human medications are not safe for cats, so before administering any medication to a cat, you should definitely consult your veterinarian.
How can I tell if my cat is having an adverse reaction to a medication?
An adverse reaction can be something as little as they're just lethargic, or can be vomiting, diarrhea, severe itching. There can be a lot of different ones. And again, when your vet prescribes you new medication, that's something that we'll go over with you.
What should I do if I miss a dose of my cat's medication?
The best thing to do is give us a call and we can advise you on that. Some medications, we may just have you wait till the next dose, or other medications we'll have you give immediately and tell you when to give the next dose after that.
Can I crush my cat's pill and mix them with food?
A lot of them you can. It just depends on the pill, because some taste really bad, and so then they won't eat the food, and some are okay. So it depends on the pill, and if you're having to do that, a better thing may be to get it formulated into a liquid or a treat.
How do I know if my cat needs pain medication?
Cats can be kind of tricky with their pain. Sometimes cats in pain just hide. Sometimes they are just a little sedentary, a little lethargic, just sitting in one spot all day. Sometimes you may notice more overt signs of pain, like licking at one side in particular, or limping if it has to do with the leg.
What medications are used to treat feline anxiety?
The most common medication we use is a little kitty Prozac to help cats with anxiety, and this helps with some urine marking behaviors and things like that. And then you also have the cat pheromones, which are actually technically kind of a natural, more of a supplement, and those can be by little plug-ins, or they have collars available too for the pheromones.
Can antibiotics cause side effects in cats?
They can. Some vomiting and diarrhea. A lot of time in cats, if we can, we like to give injectable antibiotics, and that way it doesn't have a lot of those side effects.
How often should my cat's medications be reviewed by a vet?
Definitely once a year or sooner for certain medications that need more particular monitoring, which again your vet will go over with you when you prescribe something new.
What should I ask my vet before starting my cat on a new medication?
Before starting on any new medication, first and foremost, we need to know what other medications your cat is giving, and this can be any supplements or things that you're giving over the counter too, because sometimes those can interact. The other thing you want to ask is about side effects, which we should tell you, just for what you to watch out for, and when to stop a medication if you see a certain side effect.
Can I give my cat medication from an old prescription?
Most of the time, you know, pills, especially pills, last a little bit longer. So it depends on how old the prescription is, that those will still be effective. The compounded meds have flavoring in them that goes bad, so I would not recommend giving any compounded medication past its expiration date. All right, thank you very much. And if you have any more questions about cat medication, please give us a call.